everyone. We all warmly welcome you. This year during monsoons, we all witnessed how flood caused immense destruction. Families standard on rooftops, farmers helped in flood fields. It was heartbreaking and workforce. This tragedy repeats every single year. So our team asks ourselves, why does it keep happening? Floods don't strike suddenly, water rises gradually. If we could monitor it continuously, we could not act before disaster strikes. And that's how Aqua Pulse was born. From rise to fall, we monitor it all. Aqua Pulse is a smart flood monitoring and alarming system designed to save lives right now. Most towns still rely on manual checking. Someone visits twice a day. Often it's too late. Our system changes that using ultrasonic sensors. We measure water level every second, not every hour. The moment water touches the danger mark, Aqua Pulse automatically activates pumps or open floodgates to release excess water safely. Everything happens instantly and intelligently. Officials can monitor everything in real time through our mobile app. Even sitting in Chandigarh, they get live alerts, data visualizations, and can make manual control anytime. And yes, it works offline too, because we know many villages lack stable internet. We have kept it simple, universal, yellow or low green for safe, red for dangerous anyone. Even our grandparents can understand eternal grace. And we are not stopping here. We are adding SMS alerts for citizens, solar panels for energy independence, and micro turbines to convert these water into clean electricity. A system that not only prevents flood but also generates power. So together, let's make India a very beautiful country. So thank you to all.